name's Olivia and I'm one of the other founders of Grandkids How Do I. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to take the photos you've taken on your iPhone and group those all together into what is called an album. This way you can take like photos, for instance, pictures of your grandchildren, group them all together into what is called an album. Then I'll show you how to share this album with your friends and family. All you need for this video is your iPhone. Let's get started.
All right, so first step is just to unlock your iPhone and click the Photos app. If you can't find this right away, you can swipe down on your screen like so and type in Photos. Then the app should pop up and then click the app. Next, you're going to go to your library and click the button Select. From here, you can tap the specific photos you want to add to your album. So here I am just taking photos that obviously aren't mine and just selecting every single one that I want to put into the album. Then I'm clicking the bottom in the left corner. Then you're going to want to scroll down and click the button that says Add to Album. Click New Album, and you should be able to name the album whatever you want. I named this one Grandkids. When you're done with your name, then click Save. And now you should have an album created. Now, to access this album, you're going to click the Albums button on the bottom. And from this, you should be able to find all your different albums that you've created. I'm going to go back to Grandkids and now show you how to share it. So you go to the top right-hand corner, the three dots, and click Share Photos. I'm personally going to send this album to my grandma, so I click Messages, and I type in my grandma's contact name, which is Mimi. From there, just click the little blue button, and now you're able to share your album with anyone you know and love.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful and that you're now able to create and share an album. Stay tuned for the next video.